Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi and on this Ramadan special episode, I'm going to show you a delicious sweet called Qubani Ka Meetha. So let's get started. So I've tweaked this recipe a little bit as per my liking. So first, I'm going to explain you a little bit about the apricots. So I de-seeded the apricots. I've taken about 200 grams of apricots and soaked it in 3 cups of water for 6 to 7 hours. And then I just broke the seeds of the apricots and removed the almonds from it. So I have the almonds here and the soaked apricots as well. So now let's get on to the pan. I'm going to roast these almonds in a pan for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, into this I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let them roast in the ghee for a minute. After a minute, let's just get it out of the pan. The apricots have become nice and soft and spongy, and now I'm going to add it into the same pan. So with the water, let's very carefully add the apricot. Bring this to a boil. The apricots and the water has been boiling since the last 6 to 7 minutes. Into this, now I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Give this a mix and let this boil for another 6 to 7 minutes. Six minutes are up and you can see the apricots have nicely softened and you have a thick sugar syrup here. At this point, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder into this. That's my variation. And I'm also going to add half the quantity of the roasted almonds. The remaining half I'm going to keep some for garnish. Give this a good mix and turn off the flame. Let's remove this from the hot pan. Let's cool this down completely before we use it. And while this is cooling, I'm going to whip some cream. I have 200 ml of chilled cream here and now I'm going to start whisking it. Whisk the cream for about 8 to 10 minutes. When it doubles in volume, at that point, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it well and turn off the beater. So basically, I want a semi-soft cream. So this is done and now let's start plating. The Qubani is nicely chilled. Into this, now I'm going to add a tablespoon of rosewater. Give this a mix. In your serving bowls, let's pour in some cream. Next, let's layer the Qubani. Garnish it with some roasted almonds and some dried rose petals. This is one of the specialities served during the month of Rosa, so do give this a try, comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.